all gathered. Kindly celebrate the Olubadan. Bàbá náà kú wa. Ní báyìí, bàbá fẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀.
I want to make a little correction from what W have just said. Now, why must it be impeachment that will be a reward for him? It's a big question. He has done very well. Why would anybody think I want to impeach him? I don't think His Imperial Majesty is taking that line at all. They may be, well, if they try to mention KBC or rope office, I want to tell you it's politics. See, and anywhere, and that is why they always advise us that you, traditional rulers, you must abstain from politics, which our Imperial Majesty told us when he got to office, that he's no longer a politician. He doesn't want to participate in politics. But when you start having a candidate or have somebody, whether it shouldn't be. You see, any Oba who wants to be met, it's an insult to hear that they want to remove the KBC or the KBC. It's sad to hear. It doesn't also well for Ibadan or your state. It affects security. It affects punity. It affects name. So I think we don't want it to be hard anymore. That is why I want to talk to the public. We are looking into it where there are some little mishaps, where there are mistakes, where there are things that are not to be done by our KBC, that he doesn't know how to go about it. Maybe he want to love my brother, I want to love my sister. Oba should not be biased. He should abstain himself from partisan politics, from relationship. If my son, he wants to be in politics, and then he wants to be a judge, I tell him, go away. You have to choose between one of them. It is the duty of our Imperial Majesty and to help the government of the day. Not the government of the day start working. Well, that why we are having this problem, because if our Imperial Majesty or any traditional ruler that is in the position can, he should make, even if it is me, he should sanction me. Look, Ajibola, if you have to forget about politics or you forget about the opposition, make a choice. How can you serve? You cannot serve two masters. I expect him to tell me that. So anybody may be. So when you start having partisan or being affiliation or relationship, that is when we start having problem. I believe going to the root of the matter is the key word in how to solve this problem in Ibadanland. And I've spoken to some of our elders that they have to wade into the matter. You can't pacify governor or pacify without speaking the truth. So they should appeal that anybody is free under the constitution to do what you want to do, but you have to choose one. You can't take between. You have to do God and Mama. You cannot serve both. Because I'm serving God, I'm serving Mama. You put your idol. No, you are not serving anybody. So that is that. So I know the Imperial Majesty has a very good mind. He has a good project for Ibadan. I don't want his name to be dragged into the mud. And he should not give room for it himself. Whatever affects him, affects us. And before people start talking, our small chiefs start talking, or small lovers from Ogbomoso or anywhere, starting to talk to their first Ibadan. I decided to speak today so that people will know they go and lay their affair, that there's no problem. So they have to work together. The Olubadan or whoever is there must work with the government to preserve our prerogative, our rights, our function, our dignity. It's our head who will do it. Who will tell us or call us order. If I am Olubadan, I will tell my people this. If you are my brother, you are my son, I tell you can't do this. People know me. I don't take side whether you are my mother, you are my father, you are my brother, or my sister. So Olubadan is one. Well, you can call Sarifin or whatever you call it. You can do many things. That the respect. Okay. Highness.
Dúró yẹn.
Good morning. Because of whom we are